In this video, we go over the new scene tree editing features and how to effectively use them. By right-clicking the scene tree, we get access to the scene tree edit menu. Let's go from top to bottom. With rename, you can change the names of your meshes and groups. For example, I can click rename on the mesh plate, and I can change it to top plate. With add empty folder, you can add an empty group folder below the mesh or group you have selected. So any mesh that we drag into this folder will be a part of the main group. You can now directly group meshes together in the builder. Simply shift-click meshes in the scene tree or viewport, then right-click and select Group. Now we can select our group and move all the meshes at once. You now have another option to hide and reveal meshes by clicking Show/Hide when you select multiple meshes. By clicking Reset Transforms, you reset your transforms, scale, and rotation to its original position. For example, if I move this top plate up a little bit, scale it just a little bit larger, and rotate it this way, I can then go to the scene tree, right-click our top plate, and click Reset Transform. Now all of our values got sent back to its default position. This is useful if you want to animate meshes going back into place instead of doing it manually. The reset position, reset scale, and reset rotation is the same as the reset transforms, except they're in their individual states. You can now duplicate meshes by clicking Duplicate. And last but not least, for the right-click menu, you can delete meshes from your scene. You can redo if you change your mind, but once you exit the project, you cannot bring it back, so be extra sure whatever you want to be deleted isn't needed. Now that we've covered the scene tree right-click menu, there's an extra menu. Let's click the three dots at the top right of the scene tree. You can restore the visibility of all meshes by clicking Restore All Visibility. Restore model transforms act the same way as the reset transforms we mentioned earlier, except with Restore Model Transforms, it resets the entire model instead of a singular mesh. With the Save as Base pose, this sets the model into its default state. If you were to move some meshes around and click Save as Base pose, now, if I move some meshes around and did Restore Model Transforms, this is now the new default state. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comments. You can also join our Discord by clicking the link in the description.